Hi. Now, many times in Excel sheets, we require to hide or unhide some rows or columns again and again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Excel VBA programming to hide and unhide rows and columns at click of a button. So let's begin. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so I'm taking this example. We had created these 4 columns: serial number, description, status, and remarks. So let's say in this, I want to hide this row starting with serial number 2. So hide row 2, 3, and 4, and I want to hide this column C. And after some time, let's say we want to unhide it. So how do we do programming for this? Now here again, I'll be using macro recording to record the steps so that you don't require to remember what to write, which syntax to be used for what purpose. Okay, so it will be very simple and you'll be able to do it on your own. So for that, first you have to go to developer tab, open Visual Basic. Let me split my screens. Okay, so just a second. Yeah, so what we will do first, we will record a macro to hide the row and column. So we will go to view, macro, record a macro. I will write the name as hide. I will use a key capital H for hide. Click OK. Now, as you can see on the left hand side, this module has been added. Now here, what I will do first, I will select these 3 rows, right click, hide. So here the code is getting written automatically. Now, next thing what we want to do, we want to hide this column. So I will select the column C, right click on it, click on hide. That's it. Okay, now we will stop our macro recording from here. Okay, from this, clicking on this square symbol. So our one macro is ready. Now what we will do, we will again record a macro to unhide all these rows and columns. So again, what we need to do, we have to go to again view, macros, record a macro. Here I will write the name as unhide, and I will use a key U, capital U for unhiding. Click on OK. As you can see, a separate subroutine is created here automatically. Now, what we need to do, normally what we are unhiding, we are selecting the top and bottom row in between the hidden rows and right click, unhide. Similarly, we want to unhide the column C, so we have to select column number B and D, right click, unhide. That's it. Again, stop the macro. Now, as you can see, we had used the macro recording to write the code. Now, how you can execute this code? Just let me make it maximize. So, as you remember, we had used the shortcut key for hiding, Control Shift H, H for hide. So I will click Control Shift and H. Okay, so all those rows and columns got hidden. Now for unhiding, the shortcut key was Control Shift and U. Okay, as you can see, it is working. Now let me show you another way to use this functionality of hide and unhide. Let's say you don't want to remember the shortcut keys, so you want to create a button so that anybody can use it. You don't need to tell everyone what is the shortcut key for hiding and unhiding. So how you can do, again you have to go to developer tab, go to insert and select on this form controls. You can select this button, form control button. Just click on it, then just draw a button of required size. And here, let's say I want to use this button for hiding the rows and columns. So I will select our recorded macro of hide. Okay, so I want to execute hide macro after clicking this button. Click on OK. Now, here you can just rename Okay. Now, again for unhiding, we'll require separate button. Again, go to insert, form control, draw another button. Now here, instead of hide, we have to link unhide macro. Okay, click on OK, and again rename this unhide. Now, in this case, we don't need to remember the shortcut keys. Simply, anyone if he's watching this Excel sheet, opening this Excel sheet, he'll know after clicking this hide, it is getting hidden. After clicking on unhide, it is getting unhide. Now, only thing what you need to remember, while drawing these buttons, you should draw these buttons where you're not hiding. Let's say if you're hiding a column E, then this hide button will get hidden in that. Just let me show you. Let's say we were hiding the column C. So if I move this hide button here, and now if I click on hide, my hide button itself has got hidden. Okay, so in order to avoid that, you just remember, don't draw these buttons where you are hiding either row or column. I'll just click on unhide, and whenever you want to change the text of a button, as you can see, whenever I'm bringing my cursor onto the button, this hand symbol is there. So if I click, it will execute the macro. So you will not be able to edit. So in order to edit, what you have to do, just take your cursor to that button, right click, it will get selected like this. And let's say you want to change this text. So just single left click here, and you will be able to write whatever you write. And after writing, just click outside the button and it will be edited. Now, let's say I want to again move this button here. So again, I will right click, then left click, and when this cross, you are able to see plus sign, just click on it and drag it to the position you want. Okay, so this is how you can use Excel VBA for hiding and unhiding the rows or columns. Hope you like this video, and please provide your comments, like the video, and also give your feedback what you want to learn in my future videos. I will definitely try to make a video on that. And also you can join my Facebook group for checking the exclusive contents. Thank you. Bye bye.